Horseshoe Lake River Ranch is located in Okanogan County, Washington. This property consists of 3,252 acres. With over 300 days of sunshine, the 175 acres of fertile farmland is ready to be put to use. This ranch has over 2 miles of river frontage on the Okanogan River and makes for great fishing. You can fish for sockeye and Chinook salmon, smallmouth bass, and rainbow trout, to name a few. This ranch has 5 named lakes on the property, the most significant being Horseshoe Lake. The lower meadows are lush and grassy and border Horseshoe Lake and the Okanogan River with excellent soils for growing crops. The upper ranch consists of a variety of rolling hills and numerous flat benches overlooking the valley and are nicely covered in sagebrush and mature timber consisting mostly of fir and pine. The grass is plentiful and the cattle can graze from May until October. The Quaking Aspen groves allow for some excellent wildlife habitat. The 209 Game Management Unit is very well known for some of the best hunting in the state. You can frequently see mule deer, whitetail deer, black bear, cougars, and the occasional Shiras moose. The bird life is abundant with pheasants, chukars, quail, and turkeys. During the fall and winter, the sky turns black with Canadian geese, American mallards, and northern pintail. For the adventurous person, there are a few gold mines to explore if you can find them. Horseshoe Lake River Ranch is a very unique opportunity for the right person. Ranches like this are quickly disappearing. For more information, please contact Brian Clark at 253-226-2280 or Paul Valentine at 360-239-1994.